So now that we are at story number 4, I'll tell you, at this point I was just kind of blown away. But then the YouTube algorithm started algorithming. Anyway, this video that I really didn't put much effort into just started to gain traction on YouTube. Once again, everything is out of the blue, now that I realize it. Like, all of this stuff was just like out of the damn blue. Part of me was just kind of like, that's the video that people want to see? Like, if it were up to me, I would have had a much better video go viral. At the end of the day, I can't be mad at it because that video paid the mortgage for about 8 months or so, 8 or 9 months. So then at that point, I was just like, okay, everything that I have been doing to manifest money has been working. So now we got to answer the question of how you guys can do the same thing. Let's get into it.